Hey you guys. Okay, we've been riding for about 45 minutes and we finally made it to Sunset Beach, and it's pretty windy today, so I've got a sweatshirt on over my dry fit. It's not cold, it's just breezy, and it's in the 60s, and it was overcast all day. It didn't ever really get sunny, but I'm gonna turn the camera and I'm gonna show you. This is a tiny little island called Sunset Beach. It goes all the way around, and it's really one of the coolest places. We came out here one night. Hey, how are you? And then we drove out here yesterday, and so today we wanted to ride our bikes, and I wanted to show you what it was like because it's really one of the neatest places I've ever been. It's just a tiny little beach, but yesterday it was super windy, even windier than today, and there were some parasailers out here on these little boards, I guess paddle board things. Not paddle boards, but like wind boards. I don't know what they're called. So anyway, I'm gonna catch right up here to Steve, and I'm gonna show you what it's like. Okay. There's Steve. Say hi.
Hello. A little breezy today.
A little breezy.
And cool.
Windy. Okay, so we're here at the point, and I just wanted to show you all the way around. Look, you can see it's raining way over there. And so it goes all the way around. It's just a tiny little area, but it'll be so pretty to come out here and kayak around, or even just come on a sunny day. So that little thing over there is Fred Howard Beach, and it's just another beach. You have to pay to park over there. Over here it's free. You have bathrooms and a few little picnic areas. It's just really a cool place. Yeah. Okay. All right, well, we got another 45-minute ride back, so I'll talk to you later.